Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're going to show you our GMC truck. Pretty good paint on it. Does have some nibs in it and some little bit of orange peel. Probably hard to see, that's why I'm telling you. So it might wet sand out of it. I just got it in. I haven't had time to do that. US mag wheels, 20 inchers. Interior doesn't need anything. Power windows, locks, tilt, air. Of course, this has an LS. There's your 6.2 LS in it. Looks like there's some molding in case you want to put molding on it. Right now, it doesn't have it. So, pretty neat truck. A little dust on it right now. Spraying bedliner. There ain't a lot of flaws, just more than anything, a little orange peel and then a little debris in the paint. Maybe you can see that spot right there. I mean, that's what I'm talking about, just some little nibs. But good driver quality truck and pretty cool with the 6.2 LS in it. So any questions? 605-695-7391.